This is an eye of the round. These are already pretty trimmed. The only thing I'm going to look for on here is just a little bit of extra fat or more cosmetic. Just want to make sure all the fat is even so that it'll cook even. All of this trim can go just into burger. We don't have any bone skin or anything we need to watch for on there. So that's pretty much it. So then you can size it, you can cut it in half or into thirds, or if you cut eye of the round steaks, then you can just cut those through.